She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. See, my mother doesn't love me. And why? Why? Why should she love me? All she wants is to live, love, and wear bright clothes. And here I am, 25. A constant reminder that she's not so young as she used to be. When I'm not around, she's 32. But when I am, she's 43. That's why she hates me for it. Besides, she knows that I don't accept her theater. She loves her theater. She thinks that she's serving the mankind with a secret art. But as far as I'm concerned, theater today is all bloody rot and delusion. When the curtain goes up in an artificial lit room, those great talents, those priests of secret art show how people eat, drink, love, wear their jackets. And when they take up the stock lines and the stock situation and try to squeeze the moral out of it, oversimplified sort of moral. And they serve up the same things in thousands of variations, over and over again. All I could do is run, flee. The way Maupassant fled the Eiffel Tower, afraid its vulgarity would rot his brain.